Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. What a fantastic way to kick off the new year. The philosophy behind Bitcoin's my favorite stable coins repping her can still tell you anything. Listen, XRP is simply trying to warm up and take off, there's no need to be concerned. In that episode, we will discuss the recent radio silence emanating from the SEC. Is a bullish run higher in price imminent for Link plus Matic? Rest assured, I have you covered. The XRP Church Surge 2023 chart is the sole 2023 chart worth paying attention to, as it will provide you with a comprehensive view of the cryptocurrency market's trajectory. We will discuss the home of Brad Garland. It is the year XRP in Ireland. Unwind, let's get in, and listen. If you insist on continuing, now is the moment to push the button. While activating the notifications does cost money, the app itself is free. Some fresh ears, yet many fail to remember to press the button. I fail to understand why you will desire to continue listening to this charming voice throughout the year while we escort you to the realm of Bitcoin. By the bull run now, as of right now, Bitcoin is up 6.73%. Impressive, isn't it? Coming in at $24.09, Ethereum costs $45,717. Gaining 4.38% US dollars, still being received as US dollars. The current price of C is $1.01 with XRP at $638. For those who prefer to keep count at home, that works out to 63.33 cents, which is close to 64 cents. Never forget the first magical line, we must complete the 66 files by the 70th, and only then can we begin to discuss the $1. We still have some further to go, but it is approaching 2.11%. Total value of all cryptocurrencies $1,774 billion. Do you recall the enchanted number 1.75 that I mentioned? I warned you it was a magnet, and sure enough, Charles Gas Tortilla, it arrived. Those in the BlackRock community are claiming that the SEC has been completely silent. According to sources, the SEC is still required to complete a mountain of paperwork before making these announcements, so it is quite unlikely that they will be finalized by the end of this week. This is the new storyline that can be told. It was believed that today would be the day of the announcement. By the way, isn't today Tuesday? Next Tuesday. Tuesday, how pleasant. On Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, not to mention their lesson at the end of the week, we have a long week ahead of us. Check this out, Chainlink and Polygon are preparing for a big rally, and we hope that they make an announcement on the ETF comment, and we hope that they don't deny it or put it to the side again. According to the chart that was released on Chainlink, it appears that he is prepared for a breakout. The targets we are considering have the potential to push this price up to the $32 level. Specifically, it indicates that there is a bull pennant formation and the possibility of a breakout on Chainlink. That's the size of the market, which is just over $17.20. Looking at the same thing is Polygon's task, and we could see catalyst for Chainlink running on up to $34 level. Polygon. A relocation up here could be in our future. Pay attention and keep your eyes peeled for areas close to $82. This year is going to be really wild. All sorts of charts will appear, tokens will start appearing out of nowhere, and the woodwork will experience these tremendous bull runs. Listen to a coin, and the next thing you know, its value could skyrocket by 50, 100, or even 500%. That's how bull markets function. The general public is confused about the bull market. Welcome to IT. At the start of 2024, XRP might experience a huge spike. Reasons why states as the new year progresses, the implosion of XRP's volatility might occur sooner rather than later. It would appear that XRP is mired in a technical stalemate, which might lead to the asset's eventual stagnation. On the XRP USD chart, a descending triangle formation is shown, which is usually a negative sign on cryptocurrency charts and means that lower highs are meeting a stable level of support. But the innovation will definitely cause prices to skyrocket. According to it, the triangle shape indicates that the XRP price is being squeezed, which is causing some volatility to decrease. The cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile, which can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, severe volatility can cause huge losses, Additionally, it serves as a catalyst for significant growth for XRP. Its performance could take a hit if the market and trade interest start to cool off, as indicated by the absence of volatility. Traders refer to the current market situation as a crab market because to the sluggish start to January XRP. In the long run, it is possible to predict a lateral movement without a discernible trend, allowing for sideways trading with reduced danger of abrupt price declines. What we see on the XRP chart is thus rather intriguing. If XRP can breach 70 cents, I'm telling you right now, it's going to run. Once we cross $1, we'll talk about the $50 level and continue to move sideways for a while, before we break out of this market's all-time high. I can tell you with certainty that XRP will beat the majority of cryptocurrency markets if we fall below 59 cents and we witness another breakdown within the cryptocurrency. The law is clear on the matter. The all-time high of $2.80, or what we may call $3.92, in South Korea is going to be surpassed, and it will be commonplace, thanks to its use cases and collaborations. The graph showing the 5 cryptocurrency according to 2023, Cryptos had a good year. Here are the most important market charts and data indicators. Then what did they do with this place? So, they connected Bitcoin with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq indexes, which pale in comparison to Bitcoin. At the end of the day, the charts they provided us with showed us the correct direction for the movement of BTC Bitcoin-related companies, and a downward trend like this normally signals the beginning of a bull run, right? The show in pre-market gains is a Bitcoin-related company. Here at Coinbase, we have MicroStrategy's Marathon Riot. Because we know a bull run is approaching, the stock prices of all the companies are rising. Bitcoin's price has increased by 7%. We are currently examining the first sign of a bull market. Kindly keep in mind that the following order is mandatory: stocks, Bitcoin, Ethereum, then Alts, and finally, XRP. We are aware that XRP will be the last to hit the market. After XRP is operational, a flood of capital is being pulled out of several cryptocurrencies, sending XRP soaring. We've known when bull runs are ending at that point. That's how it has played out before. I've been working in this field since 2017. You won't believe how it works. The rules aren't something I make up, you know. I merely read and review them. In a case with the SEC, Brad Garland House defended XRP and served as a legal standard for cryptocurrencies. For that reason, he will be considered a major player in the Queensland economy in 2023. It is high time that this individual is acknowledged for his coin dust. According to him, we rammed a freight train into Gary Gensler's main points. What a bold claim, and he was not shy about sharing it. I mean, it seems like he actually ran the freight train through the living room of the SEC. Oh, and he kept going. Using that same commerce pass-through, he persisted. They believed they were untouchable, yet the SEC got ripped to shreds. Coinbase joined Ripple on their downward spiral when they too were caught up in the SEC losing train. The SEC's perfect record disappeared into thin air, doesn't it? Who among us still recalls this article? The Irish government has given Ripple the green light to run its digital asset service. You can say this is significant. We also addressed this. This is quite novel. Am I correct? In December, word got out that the Central Bank of Ireland had given Ripple the green light to operate inside the nation and use XRP. Well, you should read this news article. Transferring digital assets or exchanging them for fiat currency is part of Ripple's extensive license via Ireland. On-demand liquidity exchange between a DAA supplying custodial wallets, all of the aforementioned. This is news that is both intriguing and significant. The mystery is in what is being put in place in Ireland. Moving ahead, we observe the monetary theory's ripple effect as many central banks put these agreements in practice. One of the largest is Singapore. As Ripple gains support from more and more central banks, we will learn more about countries like Japan, Australia, Mexico, the Philippines, the UK, and the UAE. We have also seen news articles about Ryan's data going back into Mexico, the UAE, and the Philippines. Plus, I'll be really straightforward and use XRP. Here is the proper license, so you can go ahead and use it. We know it works. Get going on the things you need to do, and we'll be right here to support you. The price of XRP will begin to rise as soon as we notice that, everyone. We can calculate the price of XRP by adding its use to the man's wage and a small amount of speculation. Whenever other cryptocurrencies that no one has ever heard of experience a 500% surge in value, everyone gets furious. Look, I get it. Then they move on to trash XRP, which has a ton of users, a utility, and an exchange that listens, but it doesn't accomplish anything. But in the long run, the price will be determined by the product of utility and demand. There you have it. It is as easy as that. That much has been clear from the start. With the new financial system and railroads being put in place, XRP will play a part in it. The pieces are falling into place. Yes, it is that easy. It's all I've ever seen. It is my solid belief that we will surpass the all-time high for XRP during this bull cycle. However, pinpointing exactly when this will occur is next to impossible, according to my research. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.